everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today is such an exciting day because I'm doing an unboxing of my first Celine bag. I haven't done a luxury unboxing in a very long time. It's been a minute, which is understandable because the price of bags just keep going up and it's insane. But I've had my eye on this bag for a very long time and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I purchased it yesterday and I did vlog my experience at Celine, so definitely stay tuned for the vlog if it's not already out. I did go into the Celine store in Selfridges and I had the most amazing SA and she was called Tiffany. So if you go into Selfridges and you go into Celine store, definitely ask for Tiffany because she was amazing. And I basically tried on every single bag, not every single bag, but I tried on a lot of bags and I was just so excited. But anyway, I know you don't care about me rambling, so let's just get straight into the unboxing. So like I said, I went into the store in Selfridges and this is the bag in all its glory. I have technically unboxed it because I wanted to do some close-up shots, but I literally just purchased it yesterday, so I haven't used it or anything. So of course we have the gorgeous bag, which I'm definitely going to keep. And then it comes in this black duffel bag. And here it is, the gorgeous Celine small Boston bag. It has, of course, the classic Triomphe canvas, and then we have this beautiful brown calfskin leather on the handles as well as the trimmings as well. I think it's absolutely stunning. I was really inspired by the Louis Vuitton Speedy. I wanted that bag for actually quite a while and I think I mentioned it in my wishlist video. However, the Speedy's become very popular. Well, it's not just become very popular, it's been popular for a very long time, but I've just fallen out of love of Louis Vuitton, or maybe just, I don't know, I feel like everyone kind of wears it. It just doesn't feel unique in a sense, but I feel like with Celine I don't really see as many people with this particular bag. I've seen a few people, but I see way more people with the Speedy, so I wanted to get this version because I was inspired by the Louis Vuitton Speedy, but it's absolutely stunning. We have this beautiful gold detailing, and what I love the most about this bag is the fact that you have the small short handles, and then it also comes with the long handle as well. So I'm actually just going to unbox that right now. So it's super versatile. I would definitely say it's more of a casual bag, which is absolutely fine because I actually don't even go nowhere. Like, I don't go anywhere fancy per se, maybe once in a blue moon. So for the most part, everywhere I go is very much a casual occasion. So I love wearing bags crossbody, and then it also has an adjustable strap. So of course you have two ways to carry it. You can carry it by the handle or you can carry it by the strap, whichever kind of floats your boat and whatever the occasion is. I think what I really like as well is the fact that the straps are adjustable. So many bags are coming out and the bag itself is not adjustable, and I'm just like, or it's not detachable. So it's not adjustable and it's not detachable, which I don't really like because obviously everyone's different heights, different body shapes, and so the bag will hit differently on your body. And so I really want to be given the option to adjust the straps, which you can see here, and then also the option to remove the strap, which a lot of bags are not giving you that option, which is quite annoying. So I love the fact that I can take this off and on. And then of course we have a zipped closure, and I believe there's one compartment inside. So let me just take out all of this packaging. There's one compartment inside, which is absolutely fine, and then I don't know, some information about the bag, which I probably need to take out. So just one big hole where you can just pretty much just dump everything in, which I absolutely love. I'm not somebody that travels light per se. Like, I always have my phone, like 2 lip glosses, hand sanitizer, card holder. Like, I always have quite a bit of stuff, so the super mini bags are just not convenient for me. So this is a tiny bag, but it's tiny but mighty, where you can fit quite a lot of things inside. I think it's absolutely beautiful with the canvas. I did try on the other versions of the small Boston where it has I believe, is it lambskin? I'll have it on the screen somewhere. I don't know if it's lambskin, but it was super soft. But I didn't love the fact that it had the massive logo in the front, although this kind of has the logo everywhere, but it's different because it's canvas. So I really do love this bag. I did see a lady wearing this and she styled it so well. Like, I actually just wanted to stop her and be like, hey girl, your outfit is bomb. But she styled it so well, and that just really inspired me to get this bag. For the most part, it looks like it's going to keep its shape, but if not, I can buy one of those inserts, and when I'm not using the bag, I'm definitely going to make use of this tissue paper so that it can maintain its shape. So that is all kind of what I have to say about this bag. I'm super excited to wear it and rock it. I'm going to see if I can add some body shots if I'm able to, but you're definitely going to be seeing this bag a lot on my channel. I am going to do a what fits in this bag as well if you're interested, and maybe compare it to my other luxury bags. So you guys know that I have the Alma BB by Louis Vuitton, then I also have the YSL Lou camera bag, and they're very different styles of bags, so I think it'll be great to kind of compare which one you should go for depending on your needs. But I'm so excited. I think it's such a stunning bag, and I'm just really excited to just style it in different ways. And brown is my color, but that's another thing. I wear a lot of brown. I don't know why. I'm just very much a neutral gal, so I think I'll be able to pair this with a lot of outfits. And then just really quickly on the price points. So this retails for £1,300, and if you're in the US, it retails for $1,750 USD. So I would say, if I compare it to other brands or other bags within the Celine line, I would say this is probably on the cheaper side. Obviously it's still a lot of money, but I mean, if you compare it to the other bags that they had, like, I tried on so many bags, and whenever I asked for the price point, they were at least 2K up. So this was probably the cheapest that they had, that was a decent size that can actually fit more than just your lip gloss in. So I think for the amount of space that you get, I definitely feel like it's worth the price point. And with the price increases going up, she was telling me that she's not really sure when the prices of things are going to go up again, but they find out like 2 weeks beforehand. So she was like, basically it's a good time that you've got it now. So I'm absolutely delighted. I also did have Selfridges gift cards, so I had about £200 worth of gift cards, so I put that towards this bag. So I only ended up paying out of pocket 1.1k. It's 1,100. So I'm so excited. But yeah, that's all for this bag. Definitely let me know what kind of videos you want to see with this bag. If you want to see me styling it, if you want to see what fits in this bag, let me know and I can do a more in-depth video. But this is the Celine Small Boston. Let me know if you have it, how durable it is. She did say it has about 2-year warranty, so if I have any issues I can go back and they will fix it free of charge, which is fantastic. But I absolutely love this bag and all its glory. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know a bag that's on your wish list this year. I'm not really sure any other bags I'm going to get this year because the bags are so expensive, but nevertheless we can all wish and have our own wish list. So definitely let me know what bags you're interested in this year, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see with this particular bag. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.